Hello, my name is Zaira Ramirez. I am 30 years old and I live in Medellin. I work in an infrastructure company as purchasing assistant and I study industrial engineering at UNAD. In my free time, I like to go for our work with my pet with and rules. Ned, I want to tell you a little about the culture of the city where I live. Medellin is located in Antioquia, the capital of the mountainous province. It is nicknamed the city of eternal spring for its mild climate. Demos representa typical. This is the bandeja paisa, and we also have very nice places to visit, so as the Parque Botero, Museo de Antioquia, the Explora Park, and we also have the famous celebration of the annual flower fair. We also have good transportation, such as the modern car metro that connect the city with the different neighborhoods. Bye.